First off, I just want to thank everybody for being here on a short notice. Certainly these last few days have been a difficult time for me and challenging, but I do appreciate you and want to share a few words with you if I can. In April 2003, about 2 weeks shy of my 21st birthday, after being selected in the third round, I arrived in Dallas for the rookie minicamp. My first practice, the great Bill Parcells didn't say a lick to me. Then on the final day of that minicamp, about halfway through the practice, he looked at me and he said in a way that only Bill can, "If you trust me, I know the formula for tight ends." I gave him a nod, said, "Yes, sir," the way my granddad had taught me. Finished the camp, and then spent all summer back in Tennessee thinking about what Bill had said. I couldn't wait to get back to training camp and discover this formula. So we went to training camp, and other than a few colorful butt chewings directed my way, I realized that Bill wasn't as eager to share that formula. At that point, I wasn't so sure if he thought my name was some explicit or a WITTEN. Right after the game, I had surgery, 3 plates put in my jaw, spent a couple days in the hospital. Bill walks in, looks at me, says, "I had a tight end up in New York. He had one of those jaws. He missed 1 game. And I'm just telling you, the best ones, they find a way." And listen to me, Whitten, look at me now. He says durability and dependability in this league, in this business, it's invaluable. And I never forgot that. For the past 15 years, every practice, every film session, every notebook I filled, every ounce of sweat, I did so because of my love and drive for the game of football. And I tried my absolute best to be dependable. Dependable to my teammates, to my coaches, to my family, and to all those that were cheering us on. I don't know that I ever perfected that formula. But I do know I gave it everything I had. No man knows when his time has come to walk away. Now I'm no different. I was never the most talented, never the flashiest. I relied on grit. Other players might have been more talented, but I can assure you, no one was going to outwork me. After much self-reflection, prayer, and faith, today I've decided that his time has come for me to pass the torch to the next generation of Dallas Cowboys and retire from the National Football League. My mindset has always been that they'd probably have to drag me off the field. And I was okay with that. I can only hope that the men and women in these hallways will say that I was a fine and decent man, try to do things the right way, and that I was dependable. There's an old saying in pro football, the circus doesn't stay in town forever. When you're young, I think it takes on to meaning that when your opportunity comes, grab it.
They've brought linebackers and they've brought safety players. Are they willing to play one-on-one and bring extra guys in an attempt to force Romo to get the ball out of his hands? If you do that, you better watch out. Down at the bottom of the screen. On fourth down, Romo. Over the middle, he's got Witten. Witten down inside the 25.